Nagluluto tayo ngayon ng ginataang longgan. This is sticky rice. Kailangan lang natin halu-haluin para hindi siya dumikit. Tsaka hindi masunog yung ilalim. Tapos, we have the coconut. We will mix it later. And then, ay, tang content, kaluway lang. Coconut water. You need to add tang content. Then, you need to mix it. Mix like this. And here's the lamyay, longgan. This is the longgan. Mix it. Mix it. Yeah. Ayun na. Yeah. Okay. Halu-haluin lang natin para hindi siya magdikit-dikit at masunog. Guys, this is the longgan. We will mix it later here. Coconut meat. Yeah. We need to add some sugar. Sugar, yes please. Yeah. Medyo malapot na siya. Ito po yung ating chef. Chef Papa. Halo na natin yung coconut meat. Tsaka yung longgan. Yung nabalatan ng longgan. Ayan. The more, the merrier. The more, the yummier. The more, the yummier longgan. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's easy to do, yet it's so yummy and healthy. Because there's a lot of longgan in Thailand, you can do this one. Pwedeng pang snack. Snack. Yung kulay na green na yan is pandan leaves para mabango ang ating ginataan. Yeah. So, ayun na guys. Natapos na siya. Wow. I can smell the aroma of pandan already. Smells good. Smells good. Ooh, yummy. So, we need to slice the coconut meat. Just like that. Yes, 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 yes. Ito siya. Ito. Wow. Time to do the sauce also. Yan. Ito ay coconut milk. You can use Aroydi brand. It's a Thai brand also. Yan. Gata. Gata. Tapos yan. Haluin natin siya ng pandan. We'll put some pandan leaves also. I will be smell scared. Yan. Wow. Tapos, konting asin, pampalasa. Asin po yan, asin. It's a salt. Iodized salt. Tapos, lulutuin natin ang ganyan. Halu-haluin hanggang kumulo. Ayan. Kumukulo na siya. Just mix it thoroughly. This is a Thai dessert. Halu-haluin. Oh. Halo na siya. Ililipat na natin dito. Diba? Yan. See? This is the finished product. This is the finished product. Ayan guys. It's already cooked and ready to eat. We will try one scoop. One scoop. And another one. Another scoop. Kulang yan sa akin. Ayan. And we will put this one. Ito yung niluto nating gata. Ayan. See? Oh, la la. Yeah. So this is the ginataang lampyay or ginataang longgan. Ayan. So,